Why are you drinking vodka?
Nie, to prosto ważne.
Grosz.
Have you heard of the Russian olives?
I have. The Russian olive has been carried from Asia to the United States via birds. It is a noxious weed. Trees spread into riparian zones along rivers and creeks where they are so hardly crowd out native species like cottonwoods and box elders.
Again, it's not vodka, it's water. And everyone in Russia drinks vodka. It's like the American beer of Russia.
True.
Russian olives are also a huge part of the ecosystem, and it would affect the ecosystem if it was removed.
Not to mention that the Russian olive impacts climate change because it takes more water due to the increases in heat, therefore using up all of our water.
Which caused it to spread across the plains.
This graph shows that the growing population in Russian olives is affecting more places than Colorado, and this is what they look like.
To stop the problem, Colorado has banned the sale of Russian olives because of the effects on the environment and how much the water the plant uses. CPU is trying to replace the species with a more native species that doesn't require large amounts of water.
Climate change is what made the Russian olives flourish without any human help through Utah and Nevada. And by the 1950s, it spread to Colorado.
This plant uses photosynthesis, but the plant destroys too much land for photosynthesis to make a difference in its effects. However, it creates oxygen and energy. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are linked directly to the Russian olive. It is because it is a plant and uses both of them.
More CO2, or carbon dioxide, makes more heat radiated down from the Earth due to the extra carbon in the carbon cycle.
Wait, but why is it happening?
We don't realize that climate change is happening until it's too late.
Hey Lexi, can I have some of that vodka?
I told you, it's not vodka!
Jeez.
Blooper!
Lexi, why are you drinking vodka?
Nie, to prosto ważne.
Grosz.
You have to be louder.
Yeah, you guys.
You're gonna post this on YouTube.
Why is that?
Again, it's not vodka, it's water. And everyone in Russia drinks vodka. It's like the American beer of Russia.
True.
Dang it, the iMovie thing is... This plant uses photosynthesis, but the plant destroys too much land for photosynthesis.
We're in too much noise.
Russian olives are also a huge part of the ecosystem, and it would affect the ecosystem if it was
Gracias, yeah. I'm probably enjoying it.
Stop! I grabbed vodka.
Oh my god. My potatoes are leaking.
Bloopers.
Stop this yet. Let's see. Why are you drinking vodka?
Nie, to prosto ważne.
Grosz.
I had a brain.
Everybody dance vodka. Okay, that's the end.